welcome back. Konnichiwa. Herzlich willkommen. So guys, update here on Tesla, ticker TSLA, trading on the Nasdaq. Yeah, we have here a new all-time high. We broke finally $440. Very predictable, guys. I give you now here an update based on the chart, and I give you also here the potential squeeze price level. So if the squeeze is still active here, where are the next price levels to the upside? Everything what I say here is of course not financial advice. Yeah, I just said very predictable because I released here already a couple of videos about Tesla. I think the most significant one was here back in October. 9th of October, I said that we have here now a very good breakout potentially with a retest. Of course, I released also earlier videos where I talked about the upcoming squeeze for Tesla because yeah, it's a very predictable stock which is based on algos here, the price action, everything based on algos, and we had here a successful breakout which I'll show you in a second. And I said of course that as soon as we break here $320, I have no doubts that we will see new all-time highs, or at least the price of $420 for Tesla, and I explain you everything here in the video, guys. Yeah. Now we squeezed, so when we zoom out here, that was the reason why I talked about the short squeeze here. Tesla is trading in this trend channel pattern since we had here the all-time high in November 2021. Tesla has not been able here to break this yellow resistance line here. I know a lot of people believe in news, believe in Elon Musk or whatsoever. Guys, trading here, when we talk about these kind of stocks here with a market capital of $1.4 trillion, this has nothing to do with news, guys, or anything that humans are doing. This is everything done by institutions to shake people out of their positions, to scare the market, scare you, make you sell before they buy, and then you see these kind of short squeezes here. And why was this squeeze here for Tesla so predictable? And that's why it is also the reason why I talked so many months ago already here about the potential squeeze is this setup here, because since November 2021 we had here in July 2024 for the first time after 3 years or almost 3 years here a successful breakout out of this bearish trend channel line here, trend channel pattern. Then of course we came back, we had a second attempt with a perfect retest here, and that was latest the warning signal for everybody, where I said, guys, we will see a squeeze for Tesla. And yeah, you can of course see the content here on my channel. Everything is still available here. And as we know, Tesla squeezed since then here more than 100%, guys. So we can measure that here for a second. So, zack, 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 111%. To be very honest with you guys, predictable but nothing special. I do this here every week. I try to predict short squeezes here in the market every week. The landing zone for Tesla, which I predicted, was $428.83, and we just broke that yesterday, guys, this price level here. So I will show you the next price levels here, of course, as well. But as I said, nothing special, these kind of squeezes here. If you, of course, have no experience in trading, then this is very special, and it's a huge profit. I don't want to see that here in a negative way, but I release here every week my finest selection of short squeeze stocks, since one of my missions is to predict short squeezes here in the market, and I did that very successful in the past months and years, guys. So what I do, I release here every Sunday my so-called hot stocks. This is my personal finest selection of short squeeze stocks here. And when I release those videos, that means that the tickers which I present in these videos, that I expect them to squeeze in the very few next days. The brand new video is out right now. We had here many squeezes. I don't want to bother you here with all the squeezes, but when I release my video here on Sunday, you can see this is just one example where we had here a short squeeze of 192% here, 3 days. This is a 4 hours chart, 3 days after my video release. So long story short, guys, if you also want to see these kind of short squeeze plays, then you can join in here our trading community. The most popular membership which I have is the full package membership here on Patreon. You can see all the member benefits here, guys, which you get when you join in here on Patreon. Everybody is welcome. That doesn't matter if you're a beginner or advanced trader. We're growing here very quick. We have a very big growing community, and when you click the info icon here in the corner, you get access to the Patreon member link, and of course access to my very special hot stocks and other member content. Yo guys, let's unveil the new price targets for Tesla. So if this squeeze is still active, To be very honest, guys, I don't like straight lines like that, because this is made by institutions. We have this for Bitcoin, we have this now for Tesla. As I said, not a coincidence, guys. That was a picture perfect retest of this yellow trend line here. Just watch my videos from a few months ago. You will see that I never changed the charts. This has nothing to do with news, nothing to do with humans. This is made by institutions here to make you panic in, FOMO in, before we see here a dump to lower price levels. But if this squeeze is still going on, then I will show you now here the new up price levels here for Tesla. Not financial advice. The next landing zone, guys, yeah, if we don't see a strong pullback here below $428, because if we see a pullback below $428, guys, then the next price level will be, yeah, of course not in one day, but over the past days or weeks, we will see back here $320. We have to retest this price level here. We had a gap up here, one retest, then again a gap up here, guys. This is not healthy. Gap ups are not healthy in trading, mark my words. So we will come back. But if the squeeze is still ongoing, the next landing zone, which I calculated here, is $483.99. If we should not stop here, if we just continue to squeeze higher, I show you one more price goal here, guys. Then the next price goal, yeah, and don't call me an idiot, this is calculated based on algos, is $615. As you all know, we have here a split adjusted chart for Tesla, so which means the all-time high is now $414. But as you remember, before the stock split, Tesla was trading over $1,200, so it is very possible that we even see here $650, $15 or higher prices. But for now, this is just future hope. We don't know that yet. We have to wait for confirmations. Yeah, the next price goal that I calculated is $483.99. So what is the flip coin? The bear case scenario for this, we enable here our indicators, guys, and switch off the drawings for a second. Very easy to see. $320, keep that in your mind, is the bearish price goal, of course. For retest is not bearish, it's just a pullback. But we can see that Tesla gapped up here in the daily chart a couple of times, and this is not healthy. And what is also not healthy is that we're trading here far above the EMA lines here, the moving averages, so we have to retest them. So when you see to see a pullback here, then in my opinion Tesla will retest here $394 based on the price today, $394, $375, and all these open gaps here are the price goal for the market makers. And this is not a short seller tag, or this is just a normal healthy pullback, guys. So $324 would be one of the price goals, which we have to close this open gap here. And when we switch back on the drawings, guys, don't forget that $320 is the make it or break it price level, the squeeze trigger price level. So a retest with a strong technical reaction to the upside could definitely bring Tesla back here to $483 or even higher, if we, of course, don't just to continue to go there before we see the pullback, guys. Yeah, these are the updated price levels here for Tesla. Of course, I will make more updates here on this ticker on my channel. If you want to copy here the price levels for Tesla, then you can, of course, pause the video and write down here all these price levels here. The most important now is $320 as a potential support, which I think will be retested in the future here in the next trading days or weeks. And the up price goal here is $484 for Tesla, guys. If you want to copy the price levels, everything what you see here is based on TradingView. This is the chart program what I use for all my videos and all my trades, and what I highly recommend for everybody who want to learn trading. I can offer you here a $15 discount link if you want to get TradingView, guys. Yeah, click here the info icon in the corner to get access to this discount link, and I always recommend the premium tier. This is good for beginners and advanced traders. Yeah, my friends, that was my update. I hope that was helpful for you. If you don't want to miss any updates on Tesla or my other short squeeze stocks, please hit the like and subscribe button right now. I would really appreciate that. Thank you for your time, thank you for your support, and see you in the next video. Arigato gozaimasu, vielen Dank, alles Gute und bis zum nächsten Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.